Adding a credit card in Google Ads is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add a credit card in Google Ads. The process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to be at your Google and search for Google Ads. After searching for Google Ads, go to this website which should be ads.google.com. Now here you have to click on your profile and click on wherever the campaign for whichever you want to add the billing to. Now I'm just going to click on this one and it will open up a new tab where or it will open up a new page where it will show me all the dashboard of that specific Google Ads, whichever I want to run. Now it will take some time to load. As you can see, this is it. Now here you just have to click on this billing. After clicking on this billing, this is what you will see. Now here you have to go to the payment method section. As you guys can see, we currently do not have any invoices right here. So I'm just going to click on this billing setups and here I'm going to click on this plus billing setup. Now, in your case, you will be able to see your payment methods right here and you will be able to see add a payment method right here. Currently, in my case, I do not have any invoice or I do not have anything, so it isn't allowing me to add the debit or credit card. You just have to tap on add new payment method and you will be able to add a new payment method right here, which could be your credit card. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.